Did you know that you can save all your essential charts to a single dashboard for quick, easy access? Let me show you how. Open Analytics and click the plus button next to the existing dashboards to get started. Choose a name for your dashboard. You can call it Favorites or pick a name that fits your focus, like Fresh Cow's Performance. Next, click Add Chart to select your key metrics. This could be rumination time, milk yield, mastitis cases, and more. Here's a pro tip: set a custom time frame or filters by pen, dim, or other criteria to create a view tailored just for you. When you're ready, click Save to Dashboard to add the chart. Keep going until you have all your charts in one convenient view. With this personalized dashboard, all your important data is available at a glance, saving you time and helping you stay on top of what matters. Get started with your customized dashboard today.